Can I legally change my maiden name?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into a topic that many of you might be wondering about. Can I legally change my maiden name? The answer is yes, you absolutely can. We're going to break down this process into easy-to-understand sections so that you know exactly what steps to take.
Why change your maiden name?
This question might come to your mind. Why would someone want to change their maiden name? Well, there can be many reasons. Perhaps you've just gotten married or divorced, or maybe you just want a fresh start with a new name. Regardless of the reason, the process is the same.
Where to start?
Before you start the process, it's crucial to know where you live. Laws regarding name changes vary from one location to another. This video primarily covers the process in the United States, but if you live in a different country, you'll need to research your specific country's procedures.
The legal process.
Now let's talk about the legal process of changing your name. It typically involves these steps. 1. Petition for name change. The first step involves filing a petition for a name change at your local court. 2. Publication. Many states require you to publish your intention to change your name in a local newspaper for a certain period, typically a few weeks. 3. Court hearing. After the publication period, a court hearing will be scheduled. During the hearing, a judge will ask why you want to change your name. If they find the reason satisfactory and believe it's not for any fraudulent purpose, the name change will likely be granted. 4. Official documentation. Once your name change is approved, you'll receive a legal document, often called a decree, confirming your new name.
After the name change.
After you've officially changed your name, it's important to update all your documents and accounts. This includes your driver's license, passport, social security card, bank accounts, credit cards, and any other official records. And there you have it. While changing your maiden name can seem like a daunting process, it's entirely possible and often straightforward when you break it down step by step. We hope this guide has helped clarify this process for you. Remember, this is a big decision and one that shouldn't be taken lightly. So take your time, think it through, and make the best choice for your life. Thanks for watching.